this video is to show you how simple it is. Hey guys, what we've got today is a very simple, very noob-friendly soldering guide. I personally solder way hotter than 325, but if you're learning, it's better to start at a low temperature and slowly rise up as you get more and more comfortable. So now, I've got my iron here that's not actually on, just because I want to show you what we do. Now keep in mind I have very, very shaky hands, but I can still do this totally fine. So I'm going to touch the pad as I touch the pin.
Keyboard down.
But unless you have the know-how to actually build one yourself, you're at the mercy of those that do.
Which can be kind of tedious. So you start by putting the stabilizers back in, and I recommend checking them to make sure that you like how they sound.
Mommy's trying to watch a video.
Now work on the other side, same thing right above plastic tab at the bottom. When you move one, load stem should move up with the wire. And I'll show you how to work with the smaller one as well. Moderate amount of lube. If I was doing it, it should only take you like 10 to 20 minutes. It'll take me a little bit longer because I'm explaining. It's a pretty easy process. It's more forgiving.
The case is, if you've done it correctly, you will see the two hole portions in place, and then rinse the rental. So bear with.
Just like that.
Okay, so I got the PCB.
Yeah, it
but
looks great.
the tutorial that we were following
had it be like a stabilizer for the enter key, and then I guess one for the shift key. We did this. Yeah, let's see.
and then
Yeah.
I think that fixes it because, like you
Yes.
said, I don't need the stabilizer for the
Put the keycaps on just like this.
for like the bottom row or something. Yeah.
just
Cool.
Before you start soldering.
Soldering. Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks, dude. All right.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah.
This is so exciting.
Totally
so
appreciate
I
it.
hope everything is going well.
Yeah. This is not backspace. Oh, if it didn't fit. There are screws somehow? So it doesn't fall out?
You have to take out the keycaps.
Oh, I have to take out the keycaps?
Yeah.
Oh no, so I
Yeah.
wasn't supposed to put the keycaps on yet?
The screws are underneath the keycaps.
I see. I have to take out all of them? Or just...
Just those ones, but you don't know which exactly those ones are.
Jeez. I see. It's there.